Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So the phone that you see in front of you is actually an Android phone, but it looks exactly like an iPhone 11 Pro Max. It runs and has all the tasks and functions that a normal iPhone would have, ranging from the lock screen to the home screen to the control center and even the assistive touch that normal iPhones have. So I'm going to show you how to change your Android phone to an iPhone really easily. Make sure to stick till the end because I'll show you everything step by step. I hope you guys enjoy. Hi again, I hope you're all doing well and you're safe and sound during this difficult time. So before we start this video, I just wanted to thank all of my friends who commented on my previous video. If you want your comment to be shown in the next video, all you need to do is like and share this video, and also don't forget to comment below. Okay, so with that being said, let's head into the tutorial. Now all the links and the application download links are in the description box, so if you miss or find any application that I show you in front of you, just make sure to download it from the description box. The first app that you need to download, it's called iOS 14 Launcher. So just search for that in the Play Store and this should pop in front of you, which is called Launcher iOS 14 Beta. Now I already have it installed, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to uninstall these applications so I can show you everything step by step from the start. So like I said, if you don't find this application, just download it from the description box. If not, just search for it on the Play Store. Now after that one is installed, go back to the search box and drop below until you see an application called Control Center iOS 14. Okay, now install this application as well. Like I said, I have it installed, but I'm going to uninstall it for the sake of this video. So just tap on this, install it, and then drop below and you will see an application or an app called Lock Screen and Notification. Do the same thing for this application, install it, and we will have one final application to install. So it's also called Lock Screen and Notification iOS 14. So just search for that application. It should be in the search results. So it's the fourth one on mine, so just tap on install and I will show you how you will be able to have all the looks of an iPhone on any Android device. So with that being said, we have all the applications installed. What you're going to do now, you're going to go and open the iOS 14 beta launcher. Okay, so make sure to drop below to your application bar and then open the app that's called iOS 14 beta launcher. If you don't find it in the application bar, just search for it on the Play Store and open it. While we're waiting for this app to install, it will be greatly appreciated if you subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I post. And like I said, if you subscribe to the channel, it will show me that you guys enjoyed the content. So now we have the application installed. I just uninstalled it for the sake of this tutorial. I'm going to open it and I'll show you what you need to do. So this is the app that we're going to use to install and adjust everything on this Android phone. So if it asks for permission, just tap on allow, give it permission to run properly, and then tap on assistive touch. Now it might show you, and now just close the ad, and if you can see up top, there's a toggle to turn on and off. Okay, so make sure to turn that toggle on. As you can see, it's the red toggle, so just tap on that and it should turn on and you will see the assistive touch on your Android phone. And one thing is very cool, you can also change the color and size of this assistive touch. You can't do that on normal iPhones, but this is a tip in case you want to make it look better. Okay, so go back and then tap on lock screen. Like I said, it might show you an ad and it might ask for permission, so just tap on allow and do the same thing, turn on that toggle and then tap on OK and it should run properly. Okay, it's going to ask for permission, so just drop below and enable what I'm showing you here. So enable the lock screen and notification and then do the same thing for the application below, and then it's going to ask for draw on apps. Just toggle that on, go back and go up until you see an application called Control Center. Turn both of these applications on so they can run properly. And the final thing that you need to turn on is actually the iOS 14 launcher. So tap on allow and then go back, and now you need to tap on Control Center. Okay, but before you do that, you have to go to the application that you just opened for it to run properly. And also I will have the wallpaper of the iPhone 11 Pro Max in the description box, so open the link from there, download this wallpaper so it looks pretty smooth and it looks exactly like an iPhone. So as you can see, I'm gonna set this as wallpaper for both my lock screen and home screen, and as you can see it looks pretty decent now. But we're gonna go and turn on the theme and the launcher for the Android phone as well. So like I said, if you don't find it in your application list, just go to the Play Store, search for it and open it from there, and you will have the lock screen changed into your iPhone. Now this only is necessary for the first time. By the way, all the settings that you're seeing now is only doable for the first time that you run it. So after you do this, it will completely run naturally as if you have an iPhone. So like I said, now the lock screen is done, we need to go back and turn on the home screen as well. So open the application once again. There's 3 lines on the left hand side, tap on that, and there's an option that's written reload launcher. Tap on reload and then tap on OK, and it should run the launcher on your home screen. And then you need to choose the launcher for it to run properly, and that's it. There you go. So now you have your Android phone looking completely like a copy paste of an iPhone. So it runs very smoothly. The control center, the lock screen, the assistive touch, everything runs pretty smooth. And if someone doesn't know a lot about phones, they would even mistake it for you having an Android iOS installed on your Android phone. So as you can see, it's running perfectly fine. Like I said, if it doesn't work properly, go to the application, tap on the 3 lines that you see, and I'm going to show you how to turn on the control center. So tap on control center, tap on enable, turn on the toggle, and then go to position. It's very important for you to choose the position in which you will tap on for the control center to show up. So I'm gonna choose the right hand side. I'm gonna show you what you need to do. Tap on right hand side, and if you tap on that, you will see a red line on the right hand side of your screen. Okay, so if you tap on that or actually drag the right hand side screen, it will actually run the control center. But when you do that for the first time, it's going to ask for permission, so just give it permission, and then if you tap on the right hand side, it should show you the control center similar to the iPhone control center you have. So that's it. Now you have all the functions of an iOS on your Android phone. And one thing, if you want to uninstall all these things or tweaks that you did, all you need to do is go to your application list, uninstall the application that's called iOS 14 Launcher, and it should pretty much uninstall everything that you just did. So if you didn't get what I'm saying, just go to your application list and you will see iOS 14 Launcher. As you can see, that's the iOS 14 Launcher. Tap on that, hold it, and then you will see an option that says delete. So tap on that option, and then it will cancel it and it will go back to your normal home screen. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Peace out.